Hello all, welcome back to the tutorial of C programming for beginners. Hi, this is Sakthi Arun, M.Tech student from NIT Patna and technically supporting the missile Ingeniator. So far, in a decision making module, I have explained the concept for if statement and if else statement in my previous two lecture videos. In this lecture video, I'm going to explain you guys with the concept of nested if statement. Okay, basically the nested if statement represents a if statement which is present inside another if statement. Okay, so I'll be explaining you guys with the examples in code blocks. So let me take this as an example. Suppose, say I have money with 100 rupee. Okay. So I'm telling like if my money is greater than 50, okay, then I can go to I can go to restaurant, okay, or if I can go to hotel. I'm telling if if my money is not okay, in case if my money is not greater than 50, then what I have to do? So I have to give that statement also, right? So I say that if my money is less than 50, then I am telling like I'm using the same command, that printf with the same statement, that I cannot go to I cannot go to hotel. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to make a statement. So let me repeat it. Say I have 100 rupee with me, okay, in my account. So I'm unaware of this 100, okay, whatever present here is 100, I am unaware of it. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to verify with the queries that in the query I'm asking like if money is greater than 50, then tell me that I can go to hotel. If I don't have money, sufficient money of 50 rupee, then what I have to do is I have to print that statement that I cannot go to hotel. Okay, so now if I run the program, okay, so what is output I'm getting is I can go to hotel. That's because if you see here, the money which I have in my account is 100 rupee. So this first condition becomes true, so I can go to hotel. Okay, so in case if the amount whatever present is a 30 rupee, okay, then if I rerun the program again, okay, so then what was the result I'm getting is we have to get like, yeah, we have to get the second statement, I cannot go to hotel. That's because whatever the amount present here is a 30 rupee. Okay, so 30 is less than 50. First it will check this if statement, that is greater than 50, it's false, so it will skip whatever the body present inside this if statement, and it come to the next out of this loop, and it check whether this condition is true or not. So here it is mentioned like if money is less than it's less than 50 rupee, then I cannot go to hotel. Okay, so then I can have further if statement stating that if, okay, if at least my money is if money is less than 20, okay, then I can say that okay, so I cannot even go to T stall. Okay, so stating that printf I cannot go to T stall. Okay, restart. So I am mentioning in this manner. So now what was the amount I have? I am having only 30 rupee, right? So 30 rupee falls under this category because now what happens is 30 is actually less than 50, but that is actually greater than 20. Okay, so let me go step by step. First 30 it will check here, so this condition false because 50 is greater than 30, so this condition false. The next is 30 is less than 50. Yeah, then this statement will be executed successfully. Okay, then I check this if statement. Okay, so what happens is basically when you write if statement and if statement, so try to write it in this manner which gives more pleasant to readers for understanding. Okay, so you give in this manner, so which this actually I am giving in this manner, that's simply because it's easy for any readers to understand the program execution flow. Okay, so that's why we have to always try to mention in this manner. So it's basically gives a very decent manner for any user to read the values. Okay, so that's why it's meant I have made in this sequence, and another than it's like a fancy style of programming code. Okay, so here the next statement is money should be less than if it is less than 20, then I can say I cannot even go to T stall because the T cost is like 25 rupee. Okay, so let me say that I have only 15 rupee in my account. Okay, then I run the program. Okay, So what was the result is what was the result I'm getting is, mm, actually I should get that value like, I cannot even go to t stall, right? So let me run the program. Okay, so here it is mentioned that I cannot go to hotel. Okay, I cannot even go to tea stall. That's because, see, the money 15 is less than 50, so it tells that I cannot go to hotel. Also this condition is also true that it's less than 20, so I cannot even go to tea stall. Okay, so this is how if statement is executed. Nested if statement is executed. Under one if statement we'll be having another if statement, and another if statement will be following with the previous if statement. Okay, this is how if statement is nested under each if else if statement. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood the concept of nested if statement. If you guys have any doubt in nested if statement, please post it in the comment section. Okay, thank you all for watching this lecture video.